Hello children, it's time for your maths class. Today again we will be continuing with profit and loss. I hope you can do your homework, your assignment by yourself. Now we will be dealing with what problem again. Let us read the question. A bookseller buys books for rupees 3,500. Lekha buzuar tu khan lekha buka Cheng sang thum zanga in Alea. He spends rupees 300 for transportation charges. Til dang lam lo luta a Cheng za thum kha apur kwal vel nan khan transportation charges it an apur na vela khan Cheng za thum seng book ta a. He then sold the books for rupees 3,950. Cheng sang thum zakwa somnga in le kabuka ashal le ta a. What was his profit or loss? Ahlep nge ahlau. Profit nge loss oma engzad nge a profit ani chuan engzad nge ni anga a loss ani chuan a loss za chu engzad nge ni ang. Tuna kan zir tur vo India kan zir tura hi chuan thil thar pakhataron introduce ta a. Chumi chu overhead expenses. Overhead expenses. Overhead expenses at one a short form to OE din kan zia kang. Oh, overhead expenses a tel zong zong to entirnan le kabuzor to rava le khan apur naman a taxi fare mo apur na ata na aman joy zong zong a kha a calculate tel lau kha chuan cheng sang thum zanga a le kha taxi fare te transportation a apur nan cheng za thum a chen kha cheng sang thum zanga ve ka a shal kha chuan a hlok don lo a loss ngal don ti na ni a chen chu le khabu a le na le a phurna zong zong ngana kha a chhut vek a poisa sen zong zong kha a chhut angai ta a hetiang thila chuan chung ho a extra money a man zong zong a kha overhead expenses and the a chang chuan packaging a tan te an lo an a sen a lo ngai ta a tuam a packaging a tan a an sen ti khang zong zong kha khang ang extra money khami item a tan extra money an man zong zong kha overhead expenses and the OE kan ti chu ni chuan khami zong zong kha CP a kan chut tel don ani omzia chu heta hian CP kha chu kan hrethiam tlang to a thil leina kha CP ni cheng sang thum zanga le chuan sang thum zanga kha CP ti na nia so we will write CP is equal to rupees 3,500 chuan he spends rupees 300 for transportation charges. Dahian transportation charges kan tilawang. Purnaman kaju ama kan soy ang khan purnaman transportation charges or the packaging charges or the extra money spent for the item is called overhead expenses. So we will write the short form OE. Extra money asen naka OE. Here we have the extra money for the transportation charges, so we write OE is equal to 300 rupees. Right? Chuan kan share to OE allow reng chuan total CP a poisa sen zong zong sang thum zanga in alea transportation as zathum amang lea a sen zong zong kha chu tangai ni OE reng chuan we will always calculate total CP. How do we calculate? The original CP and the overhead expenses are added together, right? Can add total CP can zon don chuan CP is 3,500 plus 300 rupees. We add this is 3,800 total CP. Next he then sold the books for rupees 3,550. So he sold it for 3,950. That means the selling price is rupees 3,950. 50. SP ka ashal na ka 3950 ani. So we will find out what a profit ni a loss di kan siya don one. We will be comparing the CP and the SP again, right? As we said in the previous classes, when SP is bigger, there will be a profit. But when selling price is bigger, I'll repeat, when selling price is bigger, there will be a profit. But when the CP is bigger, there will be a loss. SP atamzok chuan profit. CP atamzok chuan loss. Chuan kan compare ang ama ka chuan CP ito na chuan hi CP pani kan nei anganita a I compare don chuan total CP zo hi compare tur hemi SP le I total CP hi compare am, not the original CP, right? When there is a total CP, OE a oma total CP is na are chuan I selling price le I total CP ka I compare nga kongelian zo kan enang, which is bigger, 3,800 or 3,950. This one is bigger, right? This is SP. So SP is bigger. What happens when SP is bigger? SP times of one, we should find out profit. So profit is equal to here. Sorry, I have to. SP is bigger than CP here, right? When SP is bigger, SP profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP is rupees 3950 minus CP to total CP mi himan zel tur het mi himan no tur total CP is rupees 3,800. Then we subtract this. What do we get? 150. So the profit is 150. For the next question, we will be using the same question, but I will change one figure there. A bookseller buys books for rupees 3,500. He spends rupees 300 for the transportation charges. He then sold the books for, I'm going to change this figure as 3,600. What was his profit or loss? We're going to calculate again. As we said before, he bought it for rupees 3,500. So the CP is rupees 3,500. The transportation charges is called OE, overhead expense. So it is again the same figure. I'm using the same figure here, rupees 300. Then when there is an OE, we need to calculate total CP is equal to CP plus OE. That is 3,500 plus rupees 300. That is equal to rupees 3,800. Here, next, he then sold the books for rupees 3,600. So the selling price is rupees 3,600. OE is yareng reng chuan total CP is on pot anga chuan a question it's here le anga and next kan mu kha chu selling price ni. So the selling price is rupees 3,600. Now we are going to compare, as we said before, whether there is a loss or a profit. Here the SP is 3,600, the CP is 3,800. Which is bigger? This is bigger. The CP is bigger. So CP is bigger than SP. If CP is bigger, what do we see? There is a loss, right? CP alen zong chuan loss kan zonga. Loss is CP minus SP. So the CP is rupees 3,800. Total CP is and the SP is rupees 3,600. Then we subtract this. What do we get? Rupees 200 is our answer. This time there is a loss because the CP is bigger. So answer is rupees 200. That is all for today, and your assignment number 35 will be from exercise 8.2, question number 3, D, E, F. Last time in the last assignment you had done ABC. Now the next 3, D, E, F will be your assignment. Submit this assignment. Thank you.